In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip shapes in Lucidchart. Whether you're cleaning up a flowchart or mirroring a diagram for a different layout, flipping shapes is quick, precise, and easy once you know where to look. First, open your browser and go to lucidchart.com. This walkthrough focuses on the standard Lucidchart interface you see in a typical browser. The tools we'll use work on most objects you place on the canvas, including standard shapes and icons. Once you're on the Lucidchart home screen, head to your Recent section and click on a recent document you want to edit. Opening a file from your recent list is the fastest way to jump back into your work, and it ensures you're flipping the actual shapes you've already laid out. Give the document a moment to load so all toolbars and options are available. With your document open, click the shape you want to flip on the canvas. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue outline and resize handles around it. If the shape is part of a group, the flip will apply to the entire group. That's helpful when you want everything to mirror together. If the shape has connectors attached, those lines will stay linked and adjust automatically, keeping your diagram structure intact. Now, look to the top of the editor and click the shape options in the toolbar. This area controls how your shape looks and behaves, including fill, line, text, and arrangement settings. When a shape is selected, shape options also reveal transformation tools like rotate and flip, so you can change orientation without manually dragging or rotating. Inside shape options, choose whether you want a horizontal or vertical flip. Flip horizontal mirrors the shape from left to right, which is perfect for changing the direction of arrows, callouts, or flow indicators. Flip vertical mirrors the shape from top to bottom, useful for brackets, triangles, or any element that needs an upside-down counterpart. The flip happens instantly, and if you don't love the result, you can undo immediately and try the other direction. Flipping doesn't change the shape's size or center point, so your layout won't jump unexpectedly. Lucidchart also preserves text readability, keeping labels clear after the flip. A couple of quick tips as you work. If you're experimenting, consider duplicating the shape first so you can compare results side by side. After flipping, use alignment guides to keep everything neatly lined up. And if your diagram uses consistent arrow directions, flipping shapes can help standardize flow without redrawing. That's it. Go to lucidchart.com, open a recent document, select your shape, open shape options at the top, and choose a horizontal or vertical flip to mirror it